Remember that it's glueless. Like, look at that. And it's not gonna fall off.
It's something about the way you said it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for
Hey guys, well, today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair. Anyways, this is our wig for the day. She is a 7x5 HD lace closure unit. She is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Look at the knots. It's just ready to go, and it's also pre-cut. This is the inside of the wig, a glueless construction, and you also have extra space to add an extra band if you would like, but I did not have to add a band. Look at this hair, guys. Straight out of the packaging, just on my head. This looks amazing, okay? I didn't do anything yet. Like, looking in my viewfinder, I was in shock and awe of how great this wig looks. This is what you call a glueless unit, where you pop on and you go. Not a lot of work or anything. I did add a little bit of my foundation in the lace just so everything can be seamless. This is a water wave unit, and I do believe I have her in a 24-inch. All the links and all the details will be in the description box, so definitely check it out. This wig is great for my beginners. If you have no clue about wigs, or if you're an OG but you don't like doing the extra work, then this wig is for you. She is amazing. Once I put this wig on my head, I was just like, wow, okay, cool. This is so nice. I didn't have to do anything, and this water wave is a beautiful. You're gonna see, guys, all I did was add a little bit of my foundation. This is a pop on and go unit. They meant what they said when they said that it was a glueless unit. It's completely glueless. Look at how good this looks. Look at the parting space, the hairline. It looks amazing. I didn't have to take my tweezers out and have to do anything. And then for like the hairline, it's already super flat. This is the curls. Everything is looking good. All I'm gonna do is go in with some mousse, a little bit of mousse on my parting and on my hairline. This wig, guys, is straight to the point. I have nothing bad to say. This is a wig that you can like wash her and go. Like wash her and set it, and you don't have to put any products, because look at how great this looks. Look at how far the parting, it truly goes all the way back. Like, it's super deep, and all I'm going in to do is add my powder just to, you know, make that blend, because my wig cap is underneath and I was seeing her peeking through a little bit. So I'm just adding most of the foundation right there so we can have a seamless blend, and we're good to go. Guys, look at how awesome this looks. I can't get over the look of it. It's so bomb. And I'm going in with a little bit of mousse. If you have mousse at your house, you can add it. And I'm using that on my parting. I'm not using a hot comb. I'm not using anything. Just a little bit of mousse. And look at how it just melts beautifully. Like, it looks so good. And this is a clean hairline. You don't have to do anything to it. I also went in with my comb just to do a little like swoop action, which honestly I didn't have to do, but I wanted to show you if you wanted to do a little swoop. Look at how great the bleaching on the hairline is with that. There's no glue. I didn't cut any of the hair off. So you can do this even if you don't know how to like do baby hairs or anything. Just do like a little swoop with your mousse. And of course you could always cut the baby hairs if you so desire, but I didn't cut them because I don't know where I'm going to go with this wig overall, like in the future. So I wanted to keep my options open. This looks really pretty and I love it. There's no products in there. Tell me this isn't eating.
take it away, feeling too good to me.
So pretty. Look at the waves. This is what I was saying, guys. These are one of those units that you can just condition, leave it to dry, and you can wear it and go. I didn't add any products. The hair is so nice. It looks so good. All I did was finger detangle. I'm loving the hairline. Loving it. You couldn't look at it and say that it's like a closure. Looking at it, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. It's giving a frontal, like it's not giving a closure. It is too good. And then, guys, I'm gonna go in and do a little style for you. But let me know if you like this hair, guys, because I'm loving it. And you can part her, so I'm gonna go in and do a cute little style to show you that you have options. You don't have to keep it down the center. That parting space, guys, is without me adding any foundation. Look at how awesome the knots of this wig is. It is giving scalp, honey. Scalp, scalp, scalp. And remember, we don't have any glues on here. This is just the wig, like glueless. This is the kind of glueless you need in your life. This is how you want the scalp looking when you part it. You want it to look like scalp, because this looks like scalp.
Asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm.
Oh my gosh, guys, and I remember the bows that I got as my free gifts, and I did go in and add them, and I think they look super cute. Nothing bad to say about this hair. Definitely something I'm keeping in my collection. If I'm going on vacation, she is coming because it's easy to switch my looks. Oh my god, I love this hair. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think down below. Huge shout outs to Nadula. I'm loving the new and improved, like everything that's going on with their brand, the website, the hair, just everything, the packaging, the free gifts. I love everything. Huge shout outs to them for sponsoring us. And if you like this hair, check out the description box. Remember that it's glueless. Like, look at that. And it's not gonna fall off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Nadula.